I'm Tony Appa. I'm the team leader for Oregon Life Property Group, powered by JMG, or the Jason Mitchell Group. A little bit about my team. We have a team of 9 agents. We do a lot of business-to-business referrals and do quite a bit of production. We'll probably do about 100 transactions this year and about 50 buyer-to-seller transactions. I started using you guys pretty early on in my career, but before using Virtuance, the toughest part was just getting a photographer on the schedule and then waiting for photos afterwards. I never had a 24-hour guarantee that the photos would be ready. That was my biggest issue with just getting a listing ready for the market. The quality of the photos was always excellent. The consistency, being able to schedule online really easily and being able to pick a photographer, although all your photographers I found are really excellent, and just the ease of picking the package, exactly what you want. It's all online. It's very easy and smooth. Yeah, it makes it super easy. I know a lot of agents, if they don't have the funds to pay for photography up front, and they're putting it on a credit card with a high interest rate, being able to use Titus to take away that stress. Because, you put it on a credit card, you may not sell the home and pay that off for several months. So your guys' partnership with Titus and being able to get your photography or even additional marketing that you may not have done because you're worried about the financial aspect on your business, it completely takes that away. So you can add drone shots or video or things that you might not have done prior and not have to worry about it, even if it doesn't close for 6 months. And just being able to add that, it's huge. And in this market, where it does take some enhanced marketing or additional marketing pieces to stand out from your competition, it's a game changer for my business and agents on my team. I think I've had it happen maybe once over the 10 years I've been using you guys, where a photographer had something come up and wasn't able to make the shoot on time. And so I just called into customer support. They gave me a credit, rescheduled the shoot for the next day. The customer service was great, and they took care of me. So I do Zillow Showcase on all of my listings. So Virtuance has a great package for Zillow Showcase that includes the photos, the 3D tour. You can add on drone if you want. But yeah, that's my typical go-to, is just going to be the photos, the 3D tour, drone. I'll add video to some of my listings. Oh, it makes a huge impact. I think all listings, I think it should be mandatory that listings have a 3D tour, because prior to doing that, you get a lot of feedback. Oh, I didn't like the floor plan or the layout of the house. And if you have the 3D tour in there, it makes it pretty easy for a buyer to see the flow of the home. It just takes away that negative feedback that they didn't know the layout or what the home looked like inside. I would just say give them a shot. The photographers are always on time. I have my favorites that I pick, but all of them are good. I would just say having that consistency in the photography, it always comes out very consistent. All my marketing, it looks on brand because I only use you guys and everything looks the same. And it's easy. It's just plug and play. You make it part of your listing launch and being able to just go right onto your guys' website and select the package that you want, just show up for photos, and you can get a photographer out there within 24 hours. So if you have a listing that you want to go on the market quickly. Photos are the number one thing we're waiting on, and having those ready, we can get a listing on the market within 48 hours. I have had sellers reach out to me directly when they're researching an agent, and they say that my marketing is the best that they've seen. And so I contribute that to Virtuance and the photography.